Hey guys, looks what just arrived. Cool, let's unbox it. Look at this guys, finally my dream fat bike here. Okay, let's assemble this thing. So this bike is half assembled from the seller, so it's easier for me to assemble this bike. And this fat bike is pretty cool with big tires, but I'm gonna need a lettering on this side of the tire. So let's make a DIY. I'm gonna use spray paint to letter the tires, but firstly I'm gonna need to make the letter design in Photoshop. When the design's done, so I print it out in a paper, and I guess this is the boring part. We need to remove the letter one by one, and you have to do it slowly for best result. Okay, when the template's done, so I guess we are ready to paint. You can use tape to stick the letters on the tire, and more papers or newspaper to cover the other body of the bike, so in case you don't want to remove the tire from the bike first. So I did 3 times spraying for better result, but honestly I don't really know how long this lettering gonna last, but we will see. Okay, if you look closer, the result isn't that good. But if you look at it from a distance, it looks pretty good. Okay, let's take a ride.